I love macaroni salad in all forms, and for the picnic tomorrow, I thought I'd give it a little bit of a Mexican twist. It'll be a lot more festive and fun that way. Now, I cooked some elbow macaroni, drained it and gave it a good rinse to cool it off. And now I'll get going on adding all the good ingredients. I chopped up about 6 Roma tomatoes, and I'll just go in with those. Now, I've also been grilling some fresh corn, and it's ready to come off of the grill pan. So I'll put it onto a plate and let it cool for a minute or two. Now, I also chopped up some red onion. Put this in. This is a really colorful, beautiful salad. Now, I also like to add some black olives. I'm using Kalamata olives because that's what I had in my pantry, but you can also use ripe black olives. They just add a really nice saltiness. Oh, okay, these are looking good, so these will go right in. Now, for more color and texture, and because this is a Mexican macaroni salad, I'm adding a can of rinsed black beans. I just put them in a colander, rinsed them with cold water, and they're just perfect. Now, for some more flavor, I'm gonna slice up some green onions and add those to the mix. Just gonna slice them pretty thin. Okay, now the green onions just go right in. Now, the corn should be cool enough to slice. Try it out. Oh yeah, it's fine. Now I just got a sharp knife and I'll just slice the kernels right off. You can also just use frozen corn. Just rinse it under water, let it thaw a bit and add it in. This macaroni salad is perfect made the day before. It's really great for picnics because you can get it all done ahead of time. Okay, got all the corn shaved off and it's gonna go in the bowl. I love salads like this. You just keep adding beautiful ingredients. Usually just whatever you have in your pantry or fridge will make a great macaroni salad. All right, now the salad is ready for the dressing. I love this dressing. It is so delicious. It starts with a cup of salsa. Just salsa right out of the jar is just fine. And then I'll add an equal amount of sour cream. You can use low-fat or even fat-free sour cream. I'm going for the good stuff. It's how I roll, sorry. All right, and then just to give it a little extra flavor, I like to add about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. That's good. And then again, because this is Mexican macaroni salad, about a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. It'll give the dressing a really great flavor. And then just a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I'll just stir this around until it's all combined. This turns into a really great sort of pink dressing. It's really delicious. You really taste that salsa in there. Okay, now the dressing just gets poured right over everything. Gosh, this salad already smells so good. And then I'll just use a spatula to fold it all together. Okay, it's all mixed together. So I'll just transfer it into my picnic container. I certainly hope it will all fit. Oh, it looks so great. Okay, now I'll just grab the lid. And this is just gonna get better and better in the fridge overnight. All right, that's one dish for the picnic, all ready to go.